Guide to configure the stove through our Wi-Fi device via your home connection. Switch off the appliance FOM the power supply board. Connect the Wi-Fi module in the Ethernet socket. Switch on the appliance. Download the application Thermorossi connector. Open the settings of your mobile and activate the Wi-Fi connection. Select the Wi-Fi WiNet network corresponding to your module, as shown in the video. Enter the password code written on the Wi-Fi module, as shown in the video. Open Thermorossi connector, installed before on your mobile. Press the button Wi-Fi. Press the button Change Wi-Fi connection. Select the network of your home connection, and enter the corresponding password. Press the button to return in the home page. Press the switch on and off button in the application in order to start the stove. Press the chrono button in order to set up to 3 on-off cycles per day. Your configuration is complete. You can now control the stove remotely from your home network.